The Airstream S-Stream is a glimpse into the future of electric travel trailers. Created by Thor Industries, the parent company of Airstream, this concept trailer combines sustainable design, innovative features, and smart technology to make life on the road easier and more enjoyable. Designed as a fully mobile home, the S-Stream offers all the comforts of a traditional home while letting you travel anywhere. It features a large solar rooftop and powerful high-voltage batteries, giving you electricity even when you're far from the grid. Advanced electronics make staying connected and comfortable effortless. The S-Stream is built with modern chassis technology and aerodynamic design, ensuring smooth, efficient travel. Its state-of-the-art power system, including cutting-edge batteries, motors, and controls, delivers impressive performance and safety. At 22 feet long, it comfortably sleeps up to 4 people, making it perfect for small families or couples. Though still a concept, the S-Stream offers a peek at the next generation of travel trailers, blending style, technology, and sustainability. Pricing hasn't been announced yet, but it's clear that Airstream is redefining what life on the road can be. The Marathon Coach 1379 is a sophisticated, luxurious motorhome built on the PVO STX 345 chassis and is a 2024 model. Designed for comfort and convenience, this coach comes with a 20 kilowatts Solar generator with Autogen, a Girard automatic awning package, and Crestron surround sound audio to make every journey enjoyable. Its double-slide layout creates spacious living areas, giving you plenty of room to relax. For peace of mind while traveling, the coach features Marathon's TechLink electrical system and the Freedom Plus sewer system, ensuring everything works smoothly and efficiently. Luxury is taken to the next level with a separate rear bathroom with a step-up, designed with meticulous attention to detail. Every feature reflects Marathon's commitment to building high-quality bus conversions that blend style, comfort, and functionality. Although the price of Coach 1379 is not publicly listed, a similar model from the same year, Coach 1390, sells for $332,713, showing the level of exclusivity and elite clientele this motorhome appeals to. This coach is the perfect mix of sophistication, luxury, and cutting-edge technology for those who demand the best. The Caracat 66 is a modern and innovative houseboat that lets you enjoy the comfort of a home while experiencing the freedom of life on the water. With a length of 6.60 meters, this compact catamaran, built by Caracat, is perfect for cruising along coastal waters, rivers, and canals. It is certified under CE Class C, meaning it is designed for safe and relaxed recreational use. Built with a durable fiberglass (GRP) hull, the Caracat 66 is both strong and lightweight. Inside, it features a well-planned layout with one guest cabin that can comfortably accommodate up to 4 people. The smart interior design includes a small kitchen, a closet, and a cozy balcony, making the space feel open and practical. One of its standout features is its convertible seating, which easily transforms into comfortable beds. This makes the Caracat 66 ideal for both relaxing overnight stays and hosting small gatherings or parties. Starting at around €130,000, the Caracat 66 is a perfect choice for people who love adventure, independence, and stylish living, whether on land or at sea. The CMC Illuna Motorhome stands as a true symbol of Italian excellence in the luxury RV world. It perfectly blends years of experience with bold creativity, balancing careful design and innovative thinking. Handcrafted in Italy by skilled and confident artisans, every Illuna motorhome is built with extreme attention to detail, making each one feel like a unique work of art. CMC focuses strongly on customer satisfaction, ensuring that no detail is overlooked. Every motorhome is customized to meet the specific needs and lifestyle of the owner, from advanced building systems to carefully designed interiors and furnishings. This personal approach makes each Illuna truly special. Sustainability is also a key priority for CMC. The brand uses innovative technologies, high-quality materials, and smart solutions to reduce environmental impact while maintaining top performance and comfort. With its well-balanced proportions and standard EU dimensions, the Illuna model combines beauty with practicality. More than just a vehicle, the CMC Illuna is a statement of elegance, craftsmanship, and premium standards, designed for those who expect more from every journey. The Eco Capsule is a smart tiny home designed for people who want to live off-grid without giving up comfort. It blends modern technology with clever, space-saving design, making it perfect for life away from busy cities. This compact home produces its own power using a quiet wind turbine that generates up to 750 watts and high-efficiency solar panels producing up to 880 watts, allowing it to create electricity almost all the time. Its unique, rounded shape isn't just for looks, it helps reduce heat loss and improves energy efficiency. The Eco Capsule also collects rainwater and filters it for everyday use, making it highly self-sufficient. Inside, the layout is thoughtfully designed with cozy furnishings, offering everything needed for comfortable living in a small space. The Eco Capsule can house 1 or 2 people and works well as a temporary home, a permanent living space, a private office, or even a research station. Different models are available at different price points, depending on size and features. Overall, the Eco Capsule is a practical and innovative solution for sustainable, independent living. The Hymer Venture S is built for those who love exploring off-the-beaten-path destinations without giving up comfort or style. Think of it as a tiny, luxurious loft on wheels. Its pop-up roof is packed with smart features: a modern kitchen with a sleek countertop, a spacious sun deck with breathtaking views, a cozy back parlor with a real staircase, and a full washroom with a deep sink and toilet, all cleverly tucked into the rooftop space. Powering the Venture S is a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter with 190 horsepower, all-wheel drive, off-road suspension, and an LED light bar, making it ready for any terrain. You can control all systems remotely through the Hymer Connect app and the Smart Connect unit, giving you complete convenience at your fingertips. Perfect for travelers who want a mix of luxury, adventure, and style, the Hymer Venture S offers a unique way to see the world. Pre-orders are open now, and deliveries are set to begin in 2023. The price for this high-end mobile adventure home is $225,000, making it a premium choice for unforgettable journeys. If you love camping but hate hauling around huge, clunky RVs, the IO Camper Truck is a total game-changer. It's a super lightweight camper body that you can easily attach to the back of your pickup. Think Ford Ranger, Toyota Helix, or Volkswagen. The best part? You can set it up in just 15 minutes. No complicated tools, no heavy lifting. At only 450 kilos, it won't weigh your truck down, so driving is still a breeze. When you reach your campsite, it unfolds to give you a surprisingly spacious interior, giving you all the comfort of home while still staying connected to the outdoors. And it's not just for trucks. This camper works with all kinds of vans too, with no major modifications needed. It's super versatile, perfect for weekend trips or longer adventures. The base model costs around 23,000 euros, about $26,000, which is a small price to pay for such convenience, flexibility, and freedom on the road. For anyone who loves the outdoors but wants an easy, stress-free setup, the IO Camper Truck is a total winner. The JB Homes Golden Sky is a luxury mobile home that proves small spaces can still feel grand. Designed with modern living in mind, it combines smart technology, comfort, and elegant style in one stunning home. Inside, the layout feels open and airy, featuring 2 comfortable bedrooms, a cozy living area, and a sleek open-plan kitchen spread across 57.2 square meters. Every detail is built for comfort, from the underfloor heating to the triple-glazed windows that keep the home warm, quiet, and energy-efficient all year round. The exterior is just as impressive, with a beautiful wooden facade paired with subtle industrial accents that give the home a modern yet welcoming look. One of the standout features is its 2 outdoor patios. One patio opens directly from the living room, while the second is a rooftop terrace accessed by stairs, perfect for relaxing, hosting guests, or enjoying the view. The rooftop is protected with a durable polyurea finish, making it both stylish and long-lasting. With high-quality pure foam insulation, the Golden Sky is designed for comfortable, year-round living in any climate. The Mars 15 Premium is a 15-feet family hybrid caravan built for comfort and adventure. Perfect for 2 adults and 2 children, it's ideal for family getaways. Inside, you'll find a king-size bed and a U-shaped convertible couch, giving everyone a cozy place to sleep and relax. No matter the weather, you'll stay comfortable thanks to the Truma rapid hot water system and a powerful air conditioner. Cooking is easy too, with a fully equipped interior kitchen and an external kitchen that comes with hot and cold water taps. Perfect for meals anywhere, whether at a campsite or in the great outdoors. The spacious interior is designed for convenience, giving you plenty of room to move around and enjoy your trip. With independent suspension, the Mars 15 Premium handles all kinds of terrain smoothly, ensuring a comfortable ride wherever you go. Combining style, functionality, and family-friendly features, the Mars 15 Premium makes camping trips easy and enjoyable. Adventure, relaxation, and quality family time are all included. Starting at $57,999, it's your ticket to unforgettable family vacations. The Movable Roots JoJo Bean series is a smart and stylish take on modern tiny living. These miniature homes are designed to be flexible, comfortable, and easy to live in, making them perfect for full-time travelers, Airbnb rentals, backyard guest units, or relaxing weekend glamping trips. The JoJo Bean models range from 20 to 26 feet long and 8.6 to 10 feet wide, offering a surprisingly spacious feel. Inside, each home includes a well-designed kitchen, a multi-purpose table that works as both a dining area and a desk, and a roomy bedroom with a comfortable queen-size bed. The homes are built on a strong deck-over-bumper pull trailer with 7K axles, ensuring durability and smooth towing. Interior details add a touch of luxury, such as painted shiplap walls, luxury vinyl plank flooring, and a fiberglass front door with built-in micro blinds. Unlike many tiny homes, the JoJo Bean series features a single-story layout, removing the need for lofts and stairs to maximize usable space. These RV-certified homes are ready for mass production and start at $79,999, blending quality, comfort, and convenience in one compact package. Meet the Pebble Flow, a sleek electric recreational vehicle designed for modern nomads who love comfort and adventure. Its aerodynamic design is 3 times more efficient at cutting through the wind than traditional trailers, which means better fuel efficiency and safer travels. Inside, the Pebble Flow offers a minimalist, modern interior with panoramic windows giving you a 270 degrees view. The furniture is movable, and clever storage solutions help keep everything organized. You'll find an indoor-outdoor kitchen with a flexible cooktop, a bathroom with adjustable transparent glass, and a quiet HVAC system you can control through the Pebble app. Even the ceiling is designed for luxury with a night sky panel, perfect for stargazing. Thanks to its 45 kWh battery, the Pebble Flow can stay off-grid for up to 7 days, making it perfect for extended adventures. You can pre-order starting at $19,000, with deliveries expected by the end of 2024. For those looking for the ultimate experience, a $125,000 version offers advanced automation features to make life on the road effortless. Adventure meets comfort in the Pebble Flow, your mobile home for the modern explorer. The Q Mobile Home by Spanish company Q Home Studios is a compact, stylish, and clever little house designed for modern living. The Q family model is perfect for small families or groups, comfortably fitting up to 4 people in 37 square meters of space. Despite its size, it feels open and adaptable thanks to retractable rooms that adjust to changing light and seasons. Inside, the home is cozy and practical, featuring a comfy Italian Fellis Truman couch bed and a bunk bed, making it ideal for both daily living and overnight guests. One standout feature is the walking glass bay window, which brings in plenty of natural light, connects you to the outdoors, and enhances your overall living experience. The home is also built with energy-efficient insulation and high-quality materials, ensuring comfort and sustainability year-round. Installing the Q family model is simple and quick, making it a great choice for vacation spots or as a second home. With its modern design, smart use of space, and focus on energy efficiency, the Q Mobile Home blends convenience, style, and nature perfectly.
Seal vans are innovative amphibious vehicles created by a forward-thinking marine and automotive company that blends the comfort of a caravan with the excitement of a boat. These unique vehicles are designed for people who love adventure and freedom, allowing you to travel smoothly on roads and then transition directly onto water without any hassle. What makes Seal vans stand out is their smart design and practical features. The Seal 750 model is especially impressive, offering everything you need for a comfortable and relaxing vacation. Inside, you'll find a spacious bathroom, a shared dining area, a cozy living room, and 2 well-planned bedrooms. The kitchen is fully equipped with modern conveniences, including a fridge or freezer, a built-in hob or oven, and plenty of counter space for easy meal preparation. The base price for the 4.2-meter model starts at €28,000, making it an attractive option for adventure lovers. The larger 7.5-meter version comes at a higher price but offers extra space and added features for even more comfort. Overall, Seal vans redefine travel by pushing the limits of traditional transportation, giving you the best of both land and water exploration.
The Tesla semi-truck Motorhome is an exciting vision of how future travel could look. It combines the clean, electric power of the Tesla Semi with the comfort and luxury of a modern recreational vehicle. Built on the Tesla Semi platform, this motorhome is designed to offer zero-emission road trips without giving up space, performance, or convenience. Inside, the motorhome is imagined as a spacious and well-designed living area, perfect for long vacations and cross-country adventures. Powering this massive vehicle is an estimated 900 kilowatt-hours battery pack, which could deliver a driving range of over 500 miles on a single charge. That means fewer stops and more time enjoying the journey. Despite its size, performance remains impressive. Even when fully loaded, the vehicle can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 20 seconds, making it both powerful and efficient for long-distance travel. The base Tesla Semi is expected to cost between $150,000 and $180,000, depending on battery size. Converting it into a motorhome would raise the price, but exact details have not yet been revealed. Still, this concept represents a bold step toward luxury, sustainable travel. The Volkswagen California has become even smarter and more versatile with its latest updates. Now called the California 6.1, the new name reflects its improved size and layout, offering more interior space, comfort, and practicality for everyday driving and adventure travel. It's designed to feel like a true home on wheels. One of its standout features is the pop-up roof, which adds extra sleeping space, along with side-sliding doors that make getting in and out easy and convenient. The California is available in 5 trim levels: Beach, Beach Tour, Beach Camper, Coast, and Ocean, so buyers can choose the setup that best matches their travel style and budget. Higher trims include premium touches like ambient lighting, a dedicated camping control panel, and swiveling front seats that turn the cabin into a cozy living area. Every model comes with a mini kitchen, featuring a stove and smart storage solutions for cooking on the go. Built on the reliable Volkswagen Multivan platform, the California is known for durability and dependability. The fully equipped 2021 model can reach a price of up to $110,330, offering luxury, freedom, and adventure in one package.